My name is Allan Poulsen. I'm Head of Materials and Sustainable Scaling in Vestas, working on developing new technologies that's going to enter the market in, say, 3 to 8 years from now. And a part of my work is also to work on these challenges we do have when it comes to sustainability and to make zero-waste wind turbines for the future. You can never say you would expect to win an award, and to be honest, no, we didn't expect it. We knew that there was some innovation hiding in what we were doing. We knew it was a game changer we were doing, so I think that's where we come from. And of course, it is a game changer to make epoxy circular, and also that we enable to already take the blades we make in Vestas right now and recycle these, and we don't have to introduce a new resin that we're going to recycle in 30 years. So I think, no, it's a big achievement, but there's still work to do as well. I'm really happy that you asked me that question, because I think when we do very challenging innovations, then we need to work across the different disciplines we have. So we have to work together with academia, and we have to work with industries. No one has the solution ourselves. I think we are the first consortia that I know of who have been able to make a polymer truly circular. We can take the epoxy out of the blades and we can convert it to new epoxy again. And I think that is an achievement that is fantastic, and that could not be done without all the mighty brains at university doing all the detailed studies. It could not have been done without all the effort from Olin and all their knowledge within epoxy, or the Danish Technological Institute, who know how to bring academics out into the real world, and us at Vestas, who knows all the market and the potentials. And Stena Recycling, who is also a part of this project and who is working on how do we actually scale this up, so it's going to be an offer that we can hopefully introduce to the market in the future. So we are not going to landfill blades anymore, but instead making them circular. You know, we come from a world where everything is linear. We buy polymers, we use polymers, and we discard them. It can be that we incinerate them, it can be that we landfill these polymers. Some of them are recycled, but not many. But here actually we're looking into a large pool of composites and of epoxy-based composites. And I truly believe that we in 3 years from now have shown the world around us that we are actually able to take these blades and separate it into all the different materials that the blades are made of, and also then get value out of all these material streams we get out of the blades. And one of them is the epoxy. Other parts of it are glass, it's carbon fiber, and then we've turned it into a business. And I sincerely also hope that we in the longer run are growing this larger, so we're not only within our own circle here, because you know that's the funny thing about it. We're looking into this circular economy, and it's so small still, so we are each other's both customers and suppliers, and I hope this is also going to grow in the future when we actually show how circularity can look in real life, and when we also hopefully start to work with more industries and with other composite elements, and recycle these too with this technology that we've developed in the CETEC project. It would definitely be that when you have such a project and you're working with you have a partner project. You're working across different disciplines. You're working with different mindsets and perhaps different goals. There is also a lot of things which touches upon the commercial parts of all the partners within the CETEC consortia. That's both a driver, but it also sometimes ends out in really tough discussions on how do we interpret results, how do we continue from here, how to use these results, what should we do. And I think it's about the resilience to have these really difficult discussions, the courage to continue the work even though it's really difficult. And then I think when we talk about courage, it's also about following the results. Sometimes you see projects that are completely tightly bound to milestones and deadlines. Of course, our project has been that too, but some of the things that has made this such a big success is also that we've actually had the courage to follow the data and the results that we've gotten, because the guiding star here was circularity. And with that in mind, we've actually managed through a complex project with several partners with a lot of different interests.